Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play love and piano. To truly express love on the piano, begin by connecting with the emotional core of the piece. Focus on shaping phrases with intention and using a gentle, legato touch. This approach ensures each note flows smoothly into the next, creating a warm and inviting sound. Remember, your touch is key to conveying deep feeling. Next, let's explore romantic chord progressions. Incorporating major and minor 7 chords adds a beautiful richness to your harmony. A widely used progression, the 1-6-4-5, is excellent for evoking tender emotions. Experiment with chord inversions to ensure your transitions are seamless and flowing. This creates a sense of continuity and warmth throughout your playing. Now, let's add some melodic beauty. Incorporating arpeggios and broken chords can add an elegant, flowing quality to your music. Use grace notes and trills with care, as they can provide delicate accents without overwhelming the main melody. Always strive for a singing, lyrical melody line, allowing it to soar above the accompaniment with heartfelt expression. Finally, mastering dynamics and touch is crucial. Vary your volume from a very soft pianissimo to a moderately loud mezzo forte to create emotional impact. Employ rubato or rhythmic flexibility to add a personal, heartfelt touch to your phrases. Remember to use the sustain pedal judiciously. It enhances resonance but should not muddy the harmonies. These elements combine for truly expressive playing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.